And we think with the resources here that we can build the Shanghai Gigafactory in record time. And we're looking forward to hopefully having some initial production of the Model 3, this vehicle, towards the end of this year and achieving volume production next year. We are looking for the very best talent in China to join Tesla China. And I do want to emphasize there's no limit on the potential. One day somebody could join as a junior engineer here at Tesla Shanghai Giga, and ultimately maybe have my job one day. So we're looking for the very best people to join and help us build a sustainable future for the world.
3、2、1，启动。
你那个慢一点，下次来我们会把这个。他们因为留下的，我们现在是